Max, this is the Alexa Echo Dot. Come on, Charlie. This is the Alexa Echo Dot. Oh, come on, Max. People are watching us. This is the Alexa Echo Dot. Trust me on that. Okay, fine. We are going to find out about it when this video is done. But I'm sure that this is the Alexa Echo Dot. Hello, Max Limit here. Thank you so much for joining me. Today, we are going to do the unboxing of the brand new Amazon Echo Dot 4th generation. If you are new to the channel, you know what to do. Don't forget to subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for the support. Without further ado, let's start. Alright, as you can see, we have here in the studio a brand new device. This is the Amazon Echo Dot 4th generation. And we are going to do the unboxing. Later on during the video, we are going to compare this version of Amazon Echo Dot 4 with the previous version. That will give you an idea of what difference we have between the two devices and whether eventually you should get one or not. It's not every device that you have to buy, but honestly, this might be one of the devices that you want to get. First thing that we need to do is to crack it open. As you can see, we have the seal here on the box. We are going to remove it. Amazon always make it easy. We don't need a knife for this unboxing. We just have to remove the little plastic here with a simple gesture here, and then the plastic is off. And then let's dig in. So right inside of the box, you will see the picture of the device here, and then that will give you an idea already of what component you have inside of the box. Okay, and inside of the box you will see the device right inside like this. So let's take this out. Well, for a dot, it is a dot. Let's put this on the side for the moment and continue with the unboxing here. So inside of the box as well, we will see a quick start guide. It said hello, hola, and bonjour. I can speak French, so maybe later on I could do a video in French if you guys want it. And then if you want me to do a video in French, you can also let me know in the comment line. So if I get a lot of comment about doing video in French, I can do both French and English. Okay, don't forget to put your comment down below so I have an idea. So this is the quick start guide, and as always we have few informations about it. It's always good and recommended for you to go through it, so you may have a bit of knowledge about the device before you actually start. Okay, let's put this on the side and continue with the unboxing. Also inside of the box we have this small compartment, and then inside of that we do have the power adapter. So as you can see, this is the power adapter. I don't know why they did not include a black one in the box, because the device itself is really black. So well, they have a white one, and that is pretty much all that we have in the box. So as you can see, this is really tiny. In the box, I mean on the box it looks very big, but to be honest it's very, very small. I wonder why this is called the Amazon Dot. Okay, let's remove it. And there we go. First look of it, it's amazing. On top, actually on the ball, if I can call it that way, we do have a few buttons. We have, I guess it's the volume up and volume down. So depending on how you set this up, it could look like a cross, right? You have to actually put it very, very straight in front of you to be able to see that you have a plus and a minus. Otherwise, it looks like a X and a minus. And we have the silence button. So if you press this button, Alexa will not listen to whatever you are saying. I always do that when I'm not using it, because sometimes, you know, people might be listening to whatever you are saying. So once you press this button, the Alexa, the ring around any Alexa will be red. That means Alexa is not listening. And then we have the button to speak to Alexa. Instead of saying, hey Alexa, you can just press this button and then Alexa will start listening. So that is what we have here on top of the device. And then at the back here, I don't know if you can see it, we do have where we can connect the power cable and nothing else. But it looks like this year we have the ring at the bottom. Okay, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to try to plug this in and turn it on for the first time. We will go through the installation process. If you have never used any Alexa devices before, this will be very helpful. So okay, we are back. So as you can see, I have the Alexa Echo Dot 4th generation and my iPad. That will help us to connect both together. Okay, so I have the power cable. I'm gonna plug it in for the first time. This is so beautiful. At the bottom we have the ring at this time. Usually they put the ring on top of it, but now it's at the bottom. That makes the place really shiny. I really like this this change. Really, it's amazing.
Hello, your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
So as you can see, as soon as I turn on the iPad, he actually find out that I have the new Alexa Echo Dot. Then I can set it up. So I'm gonna go to continue. And then it's gonna try to connect to my Wi-Fi. There we go. So it find a whole bunch of Wi-Fi. I'm gonna select mine, and I'm currently using the iPad Pro 2020.
Your Echo is ready.
There we go. And then as you can see, it's very easy to connect. And then we are connected. I'm gonna go continue, and then we are all set for the connections. Then we can decide where we want to put this device, because as you can see, I have 3 Amazon Echo. I have the Echo Dot, the old generation, Echo Dot Plus, and the new Echo Dot 4th generation. So I will just set this on the kitchen for the moment. I go continue, and we are all done. It's now connected. If I go to device, I see that I have one on my kitchen, one on my living room, and then one on my master bedroom. Okay, and then the good thing about this is whenever I'm playing the music, I can choose to play the music on all 3 devices. That is amazing. Okay, all right, now we are gonna try to compare this Amazon Echo Dot 4th generation with the previous generation that I have. All right, we are back, and as you can see, we do have a both generation. This is the previous one. This is today's date. You can get it very cheap. This one was actually around $49.99, and then, well, it's not bad. If you have the previous version, whether you should get on the new version or not, that would depend on you. But as you can see, there's a little difference on the size. Now, the speaker wise, I don't know yet because I have not tested yet, but based on the 2, if I don't have any Alexa devices at the moment, I would definitely prefer to get this one. Why? Because the design is very beautiful, and then the fact that the ring is down there, that is very what I like the most. The color at the bottom, if you set this on the table, you see the reflections.
I don't know that one.
If you set it on the table, you will see the reflections, and then it's amazing.
I'm not sure.
Sorry. And as you can see, even on top of it, the light, it's also very great here. And like honestly, it's good. And then while I was getting this device, I also saw that they have another one with the clock. So you have the clock here, exactly the same like the one we have. I think last 2 years for the Amazon Echo Dot. Later on I can do the unboxing for that one if you guys want to see that, and definitely you can let me know in the comment down below. Other than that, the buttons are the same. These buttons are a little bit different than these ones. This one is very more better and beautiful, but again, it's the same buttons. Now on this specific Amazon Echo Dot 4th generation, I do not see where the microphone holes are. That's the thing, because on here I can clearly see that we have 4 microphone holes, but this one does not show any microphone holes. So but I'm sure that there might be a microphone in there, because for sure it's not gonna listen to you. But that is a big plus. And also it looks like these speakers is front facing, so that means if you are at the back, probably you might not hear the sound properly. Compared to that, it looks like it's around here, so that's another thing that you might need to consider. But overall, it is really good. I really like it. It's amazing, especially the ring at the bottom is perfectly done. Okay, what we need to do now is I'll also compare that. I'll bring my third Alexa that I have, which is the Echo Plus, and we're gonna see what the difference among it. And then also I'll be playing some music, then we're gonna compare it and how quickly this fourth generation pick up my voice compared to this third generation. Well, as you can see, we have the three set here. We have the Echo Dot fourth generations, we have the Echo Dot third generation, and we have the giant Echo Plus. This is my favorite because of the sound quality, and it is perfectly amazing. If you have any of those two, eventually you will probably not need to get this one, but obviously if you only have this one and want something new or another Alexa devices, you might want to get this one. But like honestly, if I didn't have this one, I would definitely get this one. And again, I will keep it because, well, this is Alexa devices. Now, how this will work is I'm gonna try the microphone, like whenever I talk, whoever picks up my voice first, then I'm gonna go somewhere in the room and again also talk to the devices. At the moment, all of them are red, and then I will try to see how the sound quality looks like. Okay, okay, I'm gonna remove this. Alexa, drop the beat. Alexa, stop. Alexa, stop. So eventually this was basically the higher volume that this can get, and quite to be honest, the sound quality is not there properly. The bass is not pronounced, it's just a regular small speakers. Even though it looks big, the sound quality, it's not that amazing. Eventually I didn't play a good song because I don't want to have a copyright strike here, and then that's why I just play something small. But honestly, the sound quality, it's not it. Alexa, drop the beat.
Kick it.
Alexa, stop. And to be honest here, like honestly here, the Echo Dot third generation sound more better. It's louder, and then it is the bass is not there, but it's very loud compared to this one. I'll try the big one, how it will sound. Alexa, drop the beat.
Kick it.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, definitely, this is my favorite. If you have these three devices, it's good. You can keep them, spread them around your rooms, and then you have a good sound quality. So, all right, guys, this will conclude today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And if you want me to show you more features about this new Amazon Echo Dot 4th generation, please let me know in the comment down below. Don't forget, if you're planning to buy one of these things, I'll put a link through Amazon so you can go and get one. If you buy one through my channel, eventually I'll get a little small percentage, and that will help the channel. And again, that money I will invest it to buy more devices for you so I can show you on the channel. That being said, this is Maxi Lemay signing out. Peace. If I don't see you again, or if you don't hear back from me, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. But I'm sure you will be seeing me around. Bye-bye. Guys, please let me know in the comment down below which one do you think is the Alexa Echo Dot, because Charlie here clearly does not know what Alexa Echo Dot is.